Welcome to our guide on how to deposit money and stake using your debit card. Stake is a feature-rich betting platform that allows users to enjoy sports betting and online casino games. Understanding how to deposit your funds safely is crucial. It ensures that you can enjoy your betting experience without any hitches. First, create an account if you're new or log into your existing stake account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the deposit section typically found on your dashboard. Next, select Debit card from the list of payment methods available. Now it's time to enter your debit card details securely. Make sure you double-check the information you input. Then, specify the amount you wish to deposit. Be mindful of any minimum or maximum limits. Review your deposit details carefully. Once confirmed, click the Submit button to continue. After submitting, wait for the deposit confirmation. You'll receive a notification once it's successful. In conclusion, always ensure your internet connection is secure and never share your card details. Happy betting on stake!